Welcome to the Marty Site YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use our platform to build a website for your electronics store. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today and you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable, only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is search for your market at the top. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with different side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, electronics store. There is a repair shop option as well. But for this one, I'm going to go ahead and choose specifically electronics store. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our electronics store so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Whoops, let's go ahead and type that in. Excellent. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail. Click on continue. Awesome. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and put in my phone number over here as well as my email address and click on continue. Awesome. Where is my electronics store located? I'm going to go ahead and put in my street address over here as well as my postal code and move along. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday. We open 7 days a week. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update location or update hours. And look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my electronics store in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it came up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some awesome images of all the various products you have in store, and you want to showcase them on your website, and you want to make one or two changes to this content as well. You can do that, and that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to be walking you through the process from the top to the bottom, each section, making my way through so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional to help you either. So let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to head to the top and I'm going to click on update section over here. The first thing I want to do is make sure my email address is displayed on my Marty Sites website. So I've checked this box. It's displayed next to my phone number, which I previously put in, and the phone number is click to call. The address we already put in our physical location. The great thing about our address is when our customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to our physical location. Over here, we can put in our various social media platforms that our websites, our electronic store is active on. The icons will be displayed in the top as well as the bottom when you've put them in over here with the various links. Awesome. Let's move along. Over here, I'm going to head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, your business is in the startup process, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your business name here and it still looks really great and professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to browse it and upload it over here. Now, if you don't have a logo and you don't have a huge budget for a graphic designer to design your logo, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on the website. Logo has been updated. I'm now going to click on this pencil over here and make a few changes to it. I want to crop it so it fits a little bit better into that section. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You can as well add filters. You can decorate it, add frames, flip it, rotate it, zoom in, for example. Let's let that upload again as I've just cropped it to fit into that section better. I'm now going to go ahead and save. We can make it bigger and smaller, but I'm happy with that sizing, so I'm going to leave it exactly the way it is. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your Mighty Sites website for you. We wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your electronic store. However, perhaps those colors don't go with your logo, that your advertisements, your signage throughout your electronic store, and you want to change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on this little paint bucket in the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I think I'm going to go ahead and select that one. If I want to change it at a later stage, I can absolutely do so. That one's really great as well. So I think I'm going to go ahead and save that one for now. Awesome. Let's head to update section over here and head to update image. Now, if you've got your own images, browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all completely royalty free. No licenses needed, and you don't have to pay any fees for them. Mighty Sites will automatically search for electronic store. However, you could just search for other things, other terms, play around a little bit and just see what images pop up. So I've just searched for electronics by itself. Let's see, there are a few suitable images here. Again, I can change it at a later stage if I wanted to. Let's go ahead and put in something else. Let's have a look at our phone and just see what pops up. Let's check it out. So here are some really much better suitable images. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this one over here. Looks like it will go with my colors as well that I have selected. That looks awesome. Let's hit to update content. Now over here we can change the title and subtitle to suit our business needs. Button doesn't have to say contact us today. Perhaps you want us to say get directions or something along those lines. You can change where it links to, so you can link to another website if need be. You can link to an action like click to call, directions, or click to email. So for this, I'm going to link to click to call. Another great option is to upload a PDF file. So perhaps you want to upload a PDF file with your catalog or the different promotions or deals you're currently offering. Let's go ahead and save that and move on. Awesome. This is coming together so nicely. I love the colors. Over here again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and make your changes. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your electronic store came to be, how you got into the industry, how long you've been running your business for. Is it perhaps a family-run business? Are you known for your competitive prices? Do you only stock genuine brands or generic ones? Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know a little bit more of your background and your story and how your business came to be. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, what different services you offer, what products you stock. Do you stock smart TVs, tablets? Do you offer cameras, gaming consoles, speakers, smartwatches, fitness trackers, VR headsets, perhaps? Go ahead and put all the details over here. If you need to make changes, click on update section and make the necessary changes. So I'm just going to quickly fix that over there. Awesome. If we want to update the image, we can choose one from that photo library or upload one of our own. If you need to make any last changes to that address, those trading hours, click on update section. So with your electronic store website, if you have a custom domain, click on this button over here, connect your domain, the yellow button at the bottom, and say I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. Now, if you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.mightisites.com. Head on over to the blog. You'll find a step-by-step guide on linking that custom domain, as well as some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. So now, as a small business owner, I do recommend you check out the Mighty Sites blog. You'll find so much valuable information here. so many articles to go through with tips on marketing your business online in your community, social media, and online directories. So do check it out. If you don't have a custom domain yet, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced a feature and we're super excited about it. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your electronics store. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback.